you're trying to make money online, this video is for you. Whatever you're doing, if you're doing programs, coaching, if you have some sort of offer online and you want to learn how to scale that to $20,000 a month in revenue, this video, I'm going to run through everything that you need, the basic concepts on how you can actually sell your stuff organically and making it seem like you understand what you're doing and you have the authority that you can teach other people and you can show people how it's done. This is specifically for online coaches, but it can technically be applied to any industry that you're in. Again, mastering organic content is super important. It's going to be able to help you scale, it's going to help you get a bigger following, but also it's going to be able to bring people in. So if you have a second, don't be moving around. Take 10 minutes out of your day to sit down and listen to this, because there's so much value in here. There's so much value. You guys are going to love this. If you guys just sit down, listen, pay attention, any single one of you watching this video right now can scale to $20,000 a month with your social media and use this however you want. I'm going to run through on my computer here and I'm going to show you guys the basic concept of things. Again, this is a lot of value, so be prepared to write down, replay, go through this a couple times if you need to, and I will basically run you guys through this all.